going to solve them all. So let's get right into it.
All right.
Okay, but first we have to time lapse us scrambling all of these cubes. So let's do it. Okay, we finished the scrambling, and we've got the Hishu super big 3x3, and we've got some crazy cubes like the mirror cube, which shapes instead of colors, and then we have the Terraminx, which is crazy. So let's get into the solving, and we will check in after a while, and we will have the number of puzzles we've solved, and we'll have this clock to show the time fly by, and we will also have a stopwatch on our phone. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is our first check-in, and we probably should have done one earlier, but we have solved all of these, all of those, and now we just have mostly, so we've got some 2x2s and 3x3s, but we've got mostly upper layer cubes, we've got some smaller, and then we've got the mirror cube still, and then I'm working on the Megaminx, Kilominx, and Terraminx. And then the 8x8 will take a while also. So, and it's been 23 minutes, I think? 28 minutes.
Alright.
Okay, well, let's get back into the solving.
Oh, this is a grind.
Yes. Okay, guys.
We are almost done.
Yay.
It's been an hour and a half of cubing.
And we've had to take a couple breaks. And guys, we've switched out three of our cubes for a bit smaller ones because
If you got a problem with it, don't watch our channel because, guys, you try solving 50 cubes. We are finally done.
and we tried to make it cool.
America.
We tried to make a
USA. USA. USA.
We tried to make a USA flag. And guys, that was our 50 subscriber special, and we couldn't have done it without you. Thanks, guys. guys next time.
Oh, good.
And eat Doritos.
Yeah.
And we're not sponsored by Doritos yet.
But Doritos, if you want to sponsor us, we have 50 subscribers, so yeah!
Yeah.
And just so you guys know, we did get 50 cubes, so we're going to count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Yeah! Woo! We quit cubing forever.